What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I should be a little bit more active. Finally, I had a few things going on, nothing bad. So I had to get that taken care of, and been a little bit of delays for YouTube videos. I have a few lectures I need to knock out of the way to prepare for boards. But I added a new REIT. It's not part of the REIT series, and I couldn't say no to this one. I made some kinks and fixes. Yes, I did add some new dividend stocks. Had to really think about this, and I have a certain philosophy, and I want high yield, high dividend growth. I want a balance. So I think I'm done adding all the dividend stocks. Now, the monthly dividend stocks, the ones that are out there, and the Yieldmax ETFs and these really good ETFs, the covered call ETFs, that's a different story. I'll probably re-add them and then build the dividend snowball effect. But I have enough dividend stocks that I feel good enough to create a dividend portfolio that is very powerful. And as I said before with phase two, that's when a lot of these quarterly dividend stocks are going to start buying the dividend growth stocks. I'm starting to get there. I'm slowly phasing it. I'm hoping the next 2 to 3 years that's going to happen. So I'm going to show you one quick change. I did add some other dividend stocks. I'm not going to show that to you yet. And I do have 3 more real estate investment trusts that I have in this big pie, and I need to show you. But I need some more juice. I need some more firepower. I need a little bit of high yield for this dividend portfolio. And I need a really good REIT. I need to diversify my real estate investment trust. And I think it's time to reveal to you one that kind of surprised me. A lot of people have been buying and telling me to check out. I'll do a quick review on them, but I really want to show you my dividend snowball effect. These have been some big dividend days and some of the buys that I've been getting. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Remember, my videos are free for you. My dividend investing strategies are free. Everything's free if you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I show you my strategies. I show you my rationales. I tell you the thought process in my head as a dividend investor. Again, I have a hybrid, high yield, low dividend growth, and low yield, high dividend growth stocks. I have a hybrid in that. I have a lot of dividend stocks. I'm going to be turbocharging it again. The goal is to be out of student loans, hopefully in the next few months from nurse practitioner school, and then focus on the dividendo manifesto. And again, once I get to that point, I'm hoping to throw 500 a week again and get this bad boy going so I can get ready for phase two. Now, I made it to 100,000. Stocks are down. So one thing that I'm looking at right now, is it time to start doing that? I just have to wait on a few things to finalize, and it's time to start the dividend snowball effect and turbocharge it again. As you saw, I bought FBY. Watch my previous video. I provide my rationales. That's a big risk, but I'm willing to take that risk. Let's check out my dividend portfolio right now. So the market's taking a hit. I still have $100,000 dividend portfolio. It could drop. Market seems to be very bipolar. It goes up and down. Don't try to challenge the market. I'm just being clear with you. IRA is even down. So, you got to be patient. Don't panic sell, of course. But it was a really good dividend day. And with dividend stocks being down, this bought me some pretty good dividend stocks. And I'm going to review to you the REIT. But the dividends from this past day are actually buying this REIT. And I'm very excited to go over that with you. So with my dividends, I went over some pretty good dividend days, but this was a really good one recently. April 1st, I made 2109. Now watch my previous video, by the way. I made a lot of money with M1 Finance and eTrade this past month. Regions Financial Corp, I made 2109. Pepsi, I made 1365. Coca-Cola, 391. That needs to go up. Oaktree Specialty Lending, 2616. TCPC BlackRock, TCP Capital Corp, 1181. NSA, National Storage Affiliates Trust, 2760. Prologis, 146. Gaming and Leisure Properties, 2460. TPVG Triple Point Venture Growth BDC Corp, 3654. Bank of America, 1285. Simon Property Group, 2690. Ares Capital Corp, 3456 plus 506. CSWC Capital Southwest Corp, 3889 plus 409. FSK KKR Capital Group, 3172 plus 297. So that was a pretty good dividend. The past few dividend days, everything's flowing, and I'm loving it. Okay, I'm expecting Vici Properties probably tomorrow, but this is good. This is really good because I'm going to show you what they bought me. So on April 1st, I threw in 250. So 250 plus what I made, 333.37. That got me some of McDonald's Corp 2660. It got me some of FBY, the Yieldmax Meta Option Income, 95.98. Medtronic, I'll go over them, 1540 eventually. That's not the one I'm going to go over. Fidelity National Financial, 1894. IWMY Defiance R2000, the Russell 2000 Enhanced Options Income ETF. I'm going to do a review on them, why I'm buying them. Kimberly-Clark Corp, 1798. Procter & Gamble, 2679. That's not what excited me. So this is the dividends that I received on the 1st. McDonald's, the dividends and what it bought me. McDonald's, 2767. Medtronic, 2055. Kimberly-Clark, 1997. Procter & Gamble, 2812. Fidelity National Financial, 2075. Rexford Industrial Realty. We're going to go over that. And it got me FBY, the Yieldmax Meta Option ETF. So I'm going to explain to you my rationales as why I'm buying Rexer, REXR. So we're going to do a stock analysis. We're going to do a dividend stock analysis. And I'm going to do a review on them. The Rexford Industrial Realty is sitting at 48.46. Past 5 years, been up and down against the S&P 500. Average volume is 1.46 million. The market cap is 10.47 billion US dollars. Year range is 41.56 to 58.81. Day range is 48 to 36 to 49.68. Previous close is 48.70. So let's look at them a little bit more. So they're located in Southern California. They serve a regional economy larger than most nations. America's largest first and last mile of distribution. So right here, they're focused exclusively on creating value by investing in industrial property throughout infill Southern California. It has an irreplaceable portfolio in the nation's largest, most sought after industrial property market. Largest, most sought after industrial property market. Now, it's not Prologis. It's not as big as Prologis. But geographically, what it has done is incredible. So I'm going to go over its portfolio. So again, they're all in California. Now, I think California, the state, is a mess. But they are so specific at what they do that it's very attractive. Now, would I ever own a business in California? No. Would I ever own real estate in California, especially the squatters? No. I will invest in Rexford Industrial because they are very specific, and I like specific REITs, okay? Innovative Industrial Property is a industrial REIT. Prologis is an industrial REIT. Eventually, I'm going to re-add Stag. It's an industrial REIT. I don't like the dividend growth on Stag, but has monthly dividends. I think this one's way more powerful than Stag because they are very geographically specific. And if you look at their website, how specific they are, very quite impressive. Their region is just so powerful when it comes with the industrial REITs. So I had to capitalize on it. Yes, I have a lot of dividend stocks and REITs. This one has really good dividend growth. I'm going to go over the revenue. Now, the FFO's pretty good. Don't get me wrong. The FFO's pretty good. I'll do that maybe in the future. Revenue trends have been fantastic. We're going to go over that. And what really attracted me to this REIT was the revenue trends. The revenue is phenomenal. That attracted me to them a lot. So annually in millions US dollars. Now again, with the real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make go back to investors. Remember that. Annually in millions US dollars. 2013, 44.36. 2014, 66.58. 2015, 93. 2016, 126. 2017, 161. 2018, 212. Revenue's jumping up. 2019, 267. 2020, in the middle of the pandemic, it's still going up, 330. 2021, 452. 2022, 631. 2023, 797. The revenue from 2013 to 2023 is incredible. This is annual data in millions US dollars. So I'll go over the FFO and a few things because I want to add a little bit more information to provide my rationales as to why I'm buying them. And going on their website, this is kind of a speed run that I'm doing. Full year 2023 financial and operational highlights. Company share of core FFO of $444.8 million, an increase of 32.9% compared to the prior year. Company share of core FFO per diluted share of $2.19, an increase of 11.7% compared to prior year. The occupancy rate right here of the property portfolio is 97.8%. Comparable rental rates increased by 77.5% compared to the prior rents on a GAAP basis and by 58.7 cents on a cash basis of 7.4 million rentable square feet of new and renewable leases. Completed 18 transactions for an aggregate investment of $1.5 billion and sold 2 properties for an aggregate sales price of $28.3 million. Subsequent to quarter end, declared quarterly common stock dividend of 41, almost 42 cents, 41 or 0.4175 per share, an increase of 10%. Hello, I'm in. I'm going over data. When I provide my rationals, this is why my videos are free for you. And you got to capitalize on that. These are free. You got to hit that subscription button. I provide you everything, my thought process, and my rationales as to why I'm buying them. I couldn't say no to this one. This is probably the last REIT that I'll be buying. Maybe. Because I have a lot of REITs, and I got to be careful a little bit with taxes. Okay, got hit a little bit on taxes this past year, and by the way, total dividends around 8,000 this last year. I'm hoping to make about 12 to 15,000 a year this year in dividends. I had to do it. I'm in buying it. I don't know what to say. I mean, everybody says I buy too many dividend stocks. Well, I'm buying this one. I'm buying this REIT. So I was really impressed. People are saying, you got to check this out. You got to do a review on them. I like it. I like it so much that I had to buy this REIT. It is incredible. Now let's jump to the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2017. It's a quarterly dividend. 15 cents. 2018 it jumped to 16 cents. 2019 it jumped to 19 cents. 2020 it jumped to 22 cents. 2021 it jumped to 24 cents. 2022 it jumped to 32 cents. 2023 it jumped to 38 cents. 2024 it jumped to 42 cents. Quarterly distribution. Dividend growth in 5 years is 19. I had to stop myself for a second. 19.94%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. You bought one share, you made 167 with a 3.43% dividend yield. I love VG properties, but this might be one of my top 5 REITs that I absolutely love. I don't even have it in that REIT portfolio, but this one really grabbed my interest. I mean, I couldn't say no to it. I mean, I'm just providing you my rationales. I would love to get to 400 shares with this and just watch the dividend growth, watch everything go. This is a 400 share goal, probably in the next 10 years with this dividend stock. I'm very, very ecstatic with this buy. And a lot of you guys in the DivX community, people in forums, on Facebook, REXR, REXR, REXR. Check it out. Check it out. Yes, I'm in. Absolutely. Without a doubt. I just wanted to provide to you that buy. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will squeeze in a video for you possibly on Saturday. Don't quote me on that on Friday. I may do a shorts for you. Take care and have a good one, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Do not use this YouTube channel for tax purposes. It is best to seek advice, financial advice, from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. And it is best to get tax advice from somebody that is a tax advisor in or certified to give tax advice. This is my YouTube channel. I'm very transparent about that. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. I've lost money. I've gained money. You have to do your due diligence. Don't buy a stock or REIT because I buy it. Do your own due diligence. I plan on being long in this real estate investment trust. This is an incredible REIT. And I'm very ecstatic. Again, if you were new to my YouTube channel, everything's free. I do reviews on dividend stocks. I provide to you my rationales as why I like them. You take care and have a great Thursday.